Hey everybody, this is Captain Carnivore. I want to start off this video with a big shout out to a friend of mine, Carnivore Ron. I know you're out there, Ron. Hey, I appreciate all of your wisdom you put into your videos. Um, you're you're such an inspiration to all of us, and you did something here not too long ago. You brought into my life some carnivore ice cream. I'll be honest with you, I didn't even think it was a thing, but I saw you have some. You made some and you ate some, and I love ice cream. Never never thought about considering it being part of my carnivore diet. I eliminated it from my diet just because of that. I made a batch a couple weeks back, and it was awesome, as you might well know. One night I came home from work and sat down to have some ice cream, and before you know it, I had eaten quite a bit of it all at once. Loved every bite of it. The next day, not quite so much fun. And so I realized moderation. Enjoy enjoy the ice cream in moderation. So I made another batch last night, and I'm going to put some pictures in for you to show you what I came up with. Another short video that I made with it. But put it into small containers, serving size. That way, when I like to have some ice cream when I get home from work now. So I just go to the freezer, grab me a little teeny cup of my homemade ice cream, and make it happen. So today I am going to, after I get done eating my lunch, which is cooking in the pan right now, I'm going to follow it up with some of my ice cream. Carnivore Ron, thank you, thank you, thank you. Keep them coming, buddy.